Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, I will share you button crafts ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. Buttons are small but they can make beautiful art. Do not throw away all buttons, keep them and create something new. You can make a colorful buttons, flower, green glue green stains or paper and add bright buttons as flowers. It's look cute and happy. Make a button heart for your walls. Use red, pink and white button to create a lovely design. It is perfect handmade gifts. Create a button art, a button tree, draw a tree with branches and blue, green, yellow or orange button as leaves. It look beautiful in every season. Decorate a photo frame with buttons. Mix a different size color to make the frame unique. Your favorite picture look even more special. And friends, viewers, turn plain jar into pretty storage. Constant glue buttons around the jar and use it for pencil, flower or craft tool. And viewers, and friends, my next idea is viewers, make a buttons bookmark for your book. Attach colorful buttons to a ribbon or paper strip. They are simple and useful. Create a cute animals with button. Use small buttons for eyes and big button for the body. You can make all butterfly, cats, ladybugs. Design creating cards with button, balloons or bucket. A handmade card always brings us smile. Make a button coaster by arranging button on felt or cloth. They add a fun touch to your table. You can also decorate bags, head cushions with button to give all items a fresh new look. Crafting with button is easy, creative and budget friendly. Every button tells a story and every project becomes a special piece of art. So collect your buttons, use your imagination and enjoy creating something beautiful with your own hands. And viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, viewers. And thanks for watching my videos. See you in the next